Shiroy Lily panitli chingri koka sakavai zimksho mayonaira. How riders Nathum mishako lang na chingri kavai motor rally zadaira. Justice Gambaya Somashekaran Manipur High Court Kajiko Chief Justice Ngapam Creator. Like young author, Tangkhul Express Pvt Wungramphi Ngalung in a balmy delay, Bobby may sign anangarumsa. Kapanga state level Shiroy Lily panit enang soda, Kashong Dima won't discover Gasawi, Hung Shade Kapanga anniversary, Kamayon Hili Chingri, Koka Sakavai, Zimikshola Mayonaira. Panitchui Akai Akasata Day of Peace, Harmony and Unity Kajangaran ang Shiri Heritage Crown, Wangayan Li Mayonaira. Angaran ang Chili Manipur Legislative Assembly with Speaker Tokchom Satyapada Singh Namsowo Sami, Uribok MLA Kwarakpam Makumani Singh, Kairao MLA Laurambam Rameshwar Mayday, Mayang Imphal MLA Kongkam Robin Singh, Dhanga MLA Dongbram Robin Singh, Kashrikau MLA Nahakbam Indrajit Singh Gala, Hayrok MLA Tokjam Radeshyam Singh Atam Nakyawo Sadavazanga. RGL President Paumei Muinao La Angranang Jali Vazanga. Assembly Speaker Satyapada Singh Hikata Nitre Hiwe Kankana Gala Manui Laka Anashiri Kakamaram La Hang Sanga. Community Kanihi Unity in Diversity later. Mayday in a Tangkhul Koka Sad Oktirum Kavai Assembly Speaker Satyaprata Singh Saklak and Satsanga. Uribok MLA Kwarakpam Rakumani Singh Shiroy Lily hi awon mang maningla. Itumi Karing Karakwi Akai Aka Sahirak Jihang Sanga. Mayday in Ukrowi relation maramli hangda. Mayday wi Shakazali Tangkhul Lurim Gajon Magazang Masabay Mana. China Tangkhul Lena Mayday hi Avu Akawi Nauna Gaji Tengsaka the MLA Jin Hang Sanga. Hayrok Assembly Constituency wi MLA Tokjam Radeshyam Singh Li Baumei Bing Okrowi Shongfu Maram Gala Zinguma Shiri Festival Li Kisabay Rakalada Kangahan Li Ana Kahang.
If we talk about the development, particularly the connectivity, road infrastructure, the hill areas are suffering more. So for any government, the priority should be the hill areas. Connectivity, only when we connect with each other, then we can develop, we can come closer. So I think the next government will be people's government. That means the need-based project will be taken up. The district of Ngalung is very, very dear to the people of Manipur. The Shiroy Lily is one of the very, very historical flower, and also the event, the festival is very, very historical festival, and we would like to develop not only road infrastructure but the whole infrastructure which is connected with the observation of the celebration of the Shiroy Lily festival. No, I think the situation in Manipur is not normal. It's abnormal. So during a normal time, something abnormal we have to expect something abnormal will happen. So I think that issue has been sorted out. That is why 7 of us, led by the Honorable Speaker, have come, and we thought we regard and we thought that the festival, the event is very, very important, very, very dear to people of Manipur, people of Delhi. See, for last almost 2 years, we have not been able to move out from the Valley area, and this event has brought us to this place. We have been allowed to move out from Delhi, and it will play a very important role in connecting people of the hill and people of the valley. We have seen during this the celebration that a lot of interaction have taken place. A lot of things have taken place. So we expect more things to happen with this festival as a first step in bringing peace and normalcy, in connecting, and we would request our brothers to play a more important role in resolving the issue which is presently happening in the state of India. It is my earnest request from on behalf of all the MLAs who have come today and also on behalf of
Justice Kambaya Somashekarana Manipur High Court to Kachiko Chief Justice Ngapam Kuyera. Album doing shit aya Darbar Hall Raj Pavan Infale Kwida or taking ceremony in Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Palana and Minister Sami. Chief Justice Album Justice Somashekarali Karamdai Makutang President Kabang Gasangna. Justice Somashekar he reader Ganadaga High Court Judge Sasai. Album doing shit Kakuyangran and Chili Manipur High Court with Judge Bing, Chief Secretary, Security Advisor, Director General of Police, Civil Police, Military, Judicial Department being with senior officials being Bar Association with Minginin being Lavazanga. P. Tradapanga 1963 Li Kapara Justice Somashekar with Judicial Career 1998 Maku Gajang District and Session Judge Sada Hawoka. And a 2016 Kum Ganadaga High Court Additional Judge Kaka Sambanga, Kala 2018 Ngapei Permanent Judge Kasa Sambanga. Manipur Chingri Kavai Wuivang How Rider and attend the model rally for peace at Ira. Anganang Chili Okrul ATM Boli Makana Muso Sami, Chesami STO Dunatuna Kayawo Kala, Okrul TC Ashistas the special guest at the Vazanga. How Rider and Makokami Peace Model Rally Chili Royal Brothers Senabati, Imime Rider Senabati, Zeliro Vengers, Royal Motors Manipur, Free Soul Riders Tripura, Goa MC, Rebel Rider Karbi Anglong, Iron Horses Kolkata, Native Toddlers, Keishai the Wolf Tribe, Manipur Wien Rider Visitors, Solo Riders Gala, Mukokme, How Riders Zangda, Piker Shaka, Hangtrukta, Kanina Shuru Kuya. Model Rally Shuru Kuizai Koru na Chingri Kavai, We Ambassador, Samisir Kavai ATM, Boli Makana Kasataira. Shiroy Lily Paniti Kupkahai, Taran, Kachicha Wishimni Janbao Yangmichingda Hitada Hangjapona.
I wish that you are the ambassadors of peace, not only for today, but always. When Shiroy Festival gets over, go home to your loved ones with a message of peace and happy and joyous memories of this little town called Okrul.
Peace really chili Shiroy Kukui Manipur Kala Ayawi in Ungda Kali Writer Saikorali Chesami STO Dunatu na Mayakangai Pongshoka. Okrul we TC Ashistasna Riders being the Kakutom Pongshok the Kahang.
This is the most important event because we are carrying the message of this whole festival, peace and harmony to the Manipur. So this is the most important step we would say, and I am glad to be part of you, and I'll be with you throughout this trek. I'll be traveling with you to Shiroy, your campsite. I'll be having lunch with you. We will be sending out the message to the whole world that we stand united for the peace. What we need is peace.
Chingri Kavai with Janbao Kamien so the Manipur Okrul tourism promote Kasa model rally chili Ungzan the Khalei riders Pingli How riders we Secretary Jihan Leisan Ningshiya Pongshoka. Rider being na Bakshi crowned win as a poke the Okrul down Akashida Kui Laga Shirili Panichi Kazanga. Okrul DC Ashistas Kala ADM Boli Makanal Riders Spinning so the peace model rally chili Shuru Kuida. How Gopok Bakshi crown in it to the Shirin and thing that Haugaya. Tangkhul Ming Mayamai Twigiji Leshat Karajan li kayakha shi jateda atonina shangwi mimanu krul mini secretary li semi haira miman ji ajahon tarik tharada chikotang lan mida ngaranangi jilo kru deputy commissioner ashish taslawazanga don dandak chanba atishu da miman ji former kru deputy commissioner kyang uzuring lana commission semi da artis zino jupang panit pang serio ares mayon mi kala yung re ka shung atun sam ga shokna atonina ashang mi man semi ga hai wuivang pungjam hetman tuire sing horam na ningshiya pongshoka pungjam hetman ringapa ningshiya janbao mikshokli pungjam yangri romwi shimrishang zimikwo kala maiton pi long langwi leshat karajan gati mavakapei jithada mini secretary okruli miman sempang wuivang okrul tc ashistazli ningshiya pongshoka kala rida okrul dc sakasa ia zuring la kengu na project chi hawok mida awi mangai na ungshung na da pungjam hetman na zuring la ningshiya pongshoka okrul headquarters hamle kongli bangkasam mir nawaka tiai kasa sambangda yari ninga krikler police baw adishu da mawon saga higher ji tishanau zingum hang medi the mati as tochang hoda as chinangam winam tochang hi hamle kong block a li bangkasana ji ahi achahon direct mak shikawe ne shimanda leksana kala mina sakata thada take khui katingun aya samgapangna awi kati jiling sunda police the mi truk to queer tochang ni direct makatang ngasozat kasa main suspect aka yamauda ali pakwi kawai sadale yam kahaya suspect g md abich udin hoya the police na hanga horza kahaya materanga ka ali direct makangaya sakata dra the police na ningmonga mona workshop pamli masakasa korngwishim ka akali ti hai kasana da hanga katingun ju postmortem wuivang aya infali kwitawa marami police na phasho kawai samamanda pau honmamanda le kapanga Shiroy Lily state panit le yarina yangailak kahaya ngarana ngi tingari ngahan kwi kahira tingari katao kangahan Shiroy Lily Grand Prix Jaya Shiroy Lily Rumira ngahan jili Shiroy now Camotius Shangna Kayui Maikaya Sambangaya Kakaniali Joiter now Totting Sung Mushangvu Kalaga Kutumali Shiroy now Steve Vakazanga Tingari Matame Tui Kasem Best Design Di Camotius Shangna Yuera Totting Sung Mushangvu na Best Costume Mingpo Sambanga Shiroy Lily Grand Prix Kayui Lilupa Ting Maga Kakaniali Ting Trada Kani Kalaga Kutumali Ting Shet Mia Costume matame tui kachili saman nuba tingani gala tingari design matame tui kachi saman nuba tingani la ngahan jili gazang consolation prize tingkanir mia tarik makatang kwatapi checkpoint bam ni shokaha MST bus ochot jili Indian Journalist Union IJU nila makamayanga wawaira ochot chi unacceptable kal alarming sa paumi bingli reka crate otsak na da IJU na hangaira Shiroy Lily panit kazang kawai paumi bingli phungsat kasa MST bus li Fort Maha Regiment na kamlaga Manipur State Transport kaji tui sakam kawai kahang kala jili ngasan gabamli atam dahaw da paumi bing od ngaruchi hoda hanung gahaina Ochochi breast ningkan li kungsung Manipuri sovereignty li kanghan sakabay dangerous precedent na the IJU president kitartha batak na hanga Ali Manipur Working Journalists Union AMWJU Editors Guild of Manipur EGM Okrul District Working Journalists Associations Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity kala Member of Parliament angom jabi mo akoy jamzang the security personnel at actually mo kamya pong shokaira Ochot wuivang Manipur Governor and Inquiry Committee semairo Ochot wuivang achahon tang AMWJU kala EGM na ban down strike sairo kala Inquiry Committee chui report mo misang rang lakha la kangi action mo kuirang lakay na tang da Manipur State Government kala security forces bi pao mo mifumara dalay Plastic Kamakau Kam Gawai Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change na nationwide mass mobilization campaign habokay One Nation, One Mission and Plastic Pollution campaign Ajukum World Environment Day Washunga. environmental protection gala sustainability wuivang the campaign India with flagship initiative missions lifestyle of environment ning sunda kasana UN Ministry for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Bhubendra Yadav na pre-campaign video with social media platform ni phomia Kangaja dimlon kavangakui kala plastic kamakao kamgavai kasata yarizai koruna taitan kami awareness eina mangavada WhatsApp action ni na sakavai environment minister jinakasat sanga World Environment Day hi kumhada makudari pangatang mayona Prime Minister Narendra Modi na aju New Delhi Rising Northeast Investor Summit hawak migidale Northeast abam hili sashok Sakui gabai later clay maram hangjada global domestic investment ranks kawai submit chili stakeholders investors gala policy makers being the sun migi gichina summit ji Bharat mandabam de aching utorbung tra makhaili habokra Rising Northeast Investor Summit ji achi na kamurung mir chui mangali pre-summit activities roadshows states roundtables ambassador meet kala bilateral chamber meet hikata angan angaying at the kwiga hirasai. Rising Northeast Investor Summit Chile, ministerial sessions, business to government session, business to business gazip, startups kala investment matami gavai shorkana pekar kwiga haing at the hangjatir. Investment maleilak in a tourism, in a hospitality, agro food processing in a allied sector, textiles, handloom, in a handicraft, healthcare, education in a skill development, information technology or information technology enabled services, infrastructure and logistic, energy, entertainment, and sports hibing hili mikhavai kasana. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrated Kokomi na Bunghang Madirit Shut statewide shutdown kasali tambakshong tang recurring correctly satsair. Daig magadak ngaya sa lung hau kapok shutdown jikwata pipam de kashok pau mebing tongzat kasa MST birthday security personnel na kahap ochoding sun na makamya pong shok na. Maha regiment with security personnel na pursuing mangali Manipur State Transport kataji sakam kawai kahangay na kahap kashok sa hauda Manipur alungli Manipur Shorkar na kami. Karili Manipur da aming kagali wuivang mamaya tukala kajena. Shutdown maleilak in Tambak District Pangali Zeda Tukan Laingunong Shungsak Washington Office Shungsak da Mayona. Shutdown kasajili public transportation lakama ka Shiroy Lily panit zangkawai gzat bing lim kamanaji. Protester bing maleilak in a Wangkei Kurai Komba Kwakai Telgala Nawem Tongli Shungfu Pamkam Dayers Tota the authorities lim makamya Pongshokaira. Ladluidaj wikam daya bobing. Shiroy Lily panitli chingri koka sakavai zimksho mayonaira. How riders Nathum mishako lang na chingri kavai motor rally zadaira. Justice Gembaya Somashekar Manipur High Court Kajiko Chief Justice Ngapam Creator. Ajo ibao hiling jangaira, bawang na the clean tum saikorali ring kapag kamahai zimksho sa sereno.